Today I'll show you 3 powerful Excel formulas to extract data instantly. VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match. And trust me, this is one of the most important Excel skills for real-world work in the US, Europe, and globally. Let's do it step by step. Look at the screen. We have a table from B14 to E24. It contains employee ID, employee name, department, and salary. Now the input value, the employee ID, is in cell C4. And we want 3 results. Employee name in C7 using VLOOKUP, department in C9 using XLOOKUP, salary in C11 using index match. Let's start with VLOOKUP. Click in cell C7. Now type equals sign, then type VLOOKUP and open parenthesis. First argument is the lookup value. So select cell C4. This tells Excel what value we are searching for. Now type comma. Second argument is the table array. Select the full table from B14 to E24. This is where Excel will search. Now type comma. Third argument is the column index number. We want employee name, which is the second column in our table. So type 2. Now type comma. Fourth argument is range lookup. Type 0, which means exact match. Close parenthesis and press enter. And boom, we get the employee name instantly. So in simple words, VLOOKUP searches the ID in the first column and returns the value from the specified column. Now let's move to XLOOKUP, which is more powerful and modern. Click in cell C9, type equals sign, then type XLOOKUP and open parenthesis. First argument is again the lookup value. Select C4, comma. Second argument is the lookup array. This is the column where Excel will search. So select employee ID column, B15 to B24, comma. Third argument is the return array. This is the column from where we want the result. Select department column, D15 to D24. Close parenthesis, press enter. Done. Department is returned instantly. Now here's why XLOOKUP is amazing. You don't need column numbers, and it works left and right, super flexible. Now let's go to the most powerful combo, index match. Click in C11. Type equals sign, then type index and open parenthesis. First argument is the return array. We want salary, so select E15 to E24, comma. Now type match and open parenthesis. First argument in match is the lookup value. Select C4, comma. Second argument is the lookup array. Select employee ID column B15 to B24, comma. Now type 0, which means exact match. Close match parenthesis. Close index parenthesis. Press enter. And there it is, salary is extracted perfectly. Let's simplify this. Match finds the position of the employee ID. Index uses that position to return the salary from the salary column. That's why index match is super powerful, especially for large data sets. Now just pause and think. 3 different formulas, same task, but different strengths. VLOOKUP is simple. XLOOKUP is modern and flexible. Index match is powerful and dynamic. So next time someone asks you to extract data in Excel, don't scroll. Use these formulas like a pro. If you found this helpful and want more Excel tips, data analysis tricks, and smart formulas, follow your channel Excel Stacks. Today,